Hello everyone, welcome to my channel that is Study with Prabin sir. Today we will continue the same chapter, that is percentage. Today we will solve two important questions that are frequently coming on different state government and central government examinations. So let's get started. Now type 27, question number 36. The salary of a worker was first increased by 20% and then again it was increased by 20%. What was the change in his salary? Now listen, I will explain these questions by two different methods. Now first, suppose his salary was 100. Then it is first increased by 20%. That means first it was increased by 20%. That means after first increase, its salary was 120. And again it was increased by 20%. That means once again the salary was increased by 20%. That means it is 20% of 120. Now, so it will be 120 plus 20% of 120. So that is equal to 120 plus 20 by 100 into 120. So here this 0 cancels this 0 and this 0 cancels this 0. That is equal to 120 plus 24. So that is equal to 144. That means after 20% increase, second times it will become 144. That means originally it was 100 and now it is 144. That means the percentage increase is 44%. Here it is 44% increase. That means here option B is the right answer. Now listen, you can solve this question by using a formula also. What is that formula? Now here the percentage change is equal to x plus y plus xy by 100. So that is equal to, here this x is 20% and again it is also 20%. Here I am writing this as y because to generalize it. Okay, so that is equal to plus 20 plus 20 into 20 divided by 100. Now for this particular question the formula should be like this. It is 2x plus x square by 100. Now because you have to remember only one formula, that's why I am writing this formula only, because remembering different formulas or so many formulas is very difficult. So that's why I am writing just one formula, and that you will have to remember it and use in different situations. So that is equal to 40 plus, it is 4. That means this 0 cancels this 0 and this 0 cancels this 0. So 44, that is percentage change is 44%. That means here option B is the right answer. Now next question, that is type 28, question number 37. Here the population of a town was reduced by 25%. First it was reduced by 25%. In the next year it was increased by 20%. What was the percentage effect on the population after 2 years? Now here suppose at present the population is 100. Now it is reduced by 25%. So that means minus 25%. Then after first year it will be 75. Again in the next year it was increased by 20%. That means in the second year it is increased by 20%. So that is equal to here 75 plus 20% of 75. 20% of 75. So that is equal to 75 plus 20 by 100 into 75. So here this is 5, and when this 75 is cancelled by this 5, it becomes 15. So that is equal to 75 plus 15, so that is equal to 90. That means after second year it will be 90. That means originally it was 100 and now it is 90. So here there is a decrease of 10%. That means here option C is the right answer. Now listen, you can also solve these questions by using a formula. Then what is that formula? Now for decrease I have to write that formula here. I have to write the percentage change. Percentage change is equal to minus x plus y minus xy by 100. So here first it was reduced by 25%, so it is minus 25. Then it was increased by 20%, so plus 20. Again it is 25 into 20 divided by 100. So here that is equal to, here it is coming as minus 5 minus here minus 25 plus 20, so it is coming as minus 5. So it is minus 25 4s are 100 and 4 5s are 20 and minus 5. That means this is equal to minus 10. That means here minus symbol means it is decrease of 10%. That means your option C is the right answer. Now this formula is a variance of the earlier formula. In the earlier formula, here instead of plus symbol I am using minus symbol. That means what was reduced, that should be minus. So here again plus into minus. Here x into y is there, so plus into minus, that is minus. So if you found this video helpful to you, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive updates on new videos. Thank you.